I want to tell you about my BUYDEEM 4-slice toaster. I love this toaster. Not only does it come with a retro look, but it also comes with a ton of amazing features. I have the color called Cozy Greenish to match my kitchen, but it's also available in mellow yellow and stainless steel. One of my favorite things about this toaster is its extra wide slots. With 4 wide 1¼ inch slots, it can accommodate different kinds of bread. It also has self-centering guides that ensure your bread is perfectly toasted every time. It has 7 different toast shade settings with LED indicators. You can easily adjust it to your preferred level of browning. It also has 5 basic functions that can satisfy all your daily toasting needs. Plus, there is a solid high lift lever that makes it easy to grab smaller items like English muffins and bagels. This toaster is also compact and retro in design, making it perfect for saving space on your countertop. It even has a cord storage on the bottom to neatly store away your toaster. If you're looking for a toaster that looks great and performs even better, I highly recommend the BUYDEEM DT640 4-slice toaster.